Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Amoy, filling in for Dadrian. Happy birthday to the legend himself, Bob Marley. Tough Gong celebrates Bob's 79th with star-studded performances. Now, Tough Gong International marked the reggae legend Earthstrong this year with several activities, one such being the One Love 79 concert. The concert aired on Tough Gong's platforms, saw performances from some of reggae's top performers such as Jesse Royal, Luton Fire, Pam Hall, and others. Here are the sights and sounds.
Some people you rate, yes, and then we still choose to show you hate. So what you do? Run them out of your yard.
This was caused through love and affection. This was caused through love and affection.
Me need a little piece of food fi go mash a works. What make it rather worse? The part of when me throw the banker of the purse.
Whether you walk or you a drive car, but if you white or black like Zara, from you feel good in yourself, you're star. Shop on the one.
I'm waiting on my baby. He may be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating.
And a little bit of try, but try. And a little bit of cry, but cry. And a little bit of fight. Yet they want to deny the greatness.
And we not take shots from the leaders. We a try come to deceive us. No, we no rate that, we no play that. So tell them try it all.
Blessed Earthstrong too, the honorable, the legendary, the incomparable Bob Marley. And you will always live on in our lives, in our heads, in our hearts. Bless up.
I don't have enough ways to pay homage to Bob, right? We stand up on the foundation that he laid. A lot of us who tour, we tour under the understanding of what Bob was, right? Broke down too many doors to mention. So for me, like me say, I can't pay enough homage.
Bob's influence is felt around the world as he's celebrated as the forefather and the king of reggae. Happy birthday again to the legend himself. Essence of Reggae 2024 left the patrons wanting more. Now, despite the abrupt ending, the event held over the weekend at the Police Officer Club included some of Jamaica's top reggae and dancehall acts, including Queen Ifrica, Singer J, Richie Spice, Makian, and Joshi.
Legend of the future, if you don't believe, the journey continues, still a pick up the peace. Still a pick up the peace. The journey continues, still a pick up the peace.
In an E-Prime exclusive, dancehall sensation Joshi expressed his appreciation for this type of festival in Kingston.
Feels just the same as every other one, you know. I feel like another obstacle get conquered, you know, I feel stronger, of course. Music all about motivation, you know, and positivity, you know. And that is what the show is about. So I just implement that in my set and sing some songs.
The Frankie Music Produce Festival was fully endorsed by Reggae Month, which sees a calendar of events across the island. Again, happy Black History Month and happy Reggae Month. Now that's it for E-Prime. I'm Amoy. Thanks for watching.